not going to be able to get a little wrenchy wrench. This is coming out, moving to the other side. This is going in.
The seat rail, same brand seat rail, is like $185. Let me show you guys. That's the bezel for the seat belt
In the back
in
seat.
the back seat.
Cracked.
Guys, why the fuck did he make it this color? Because that's not the right color. No SC interior.
Pink.
No SC interior had salmon pink interior.
Seat is out. We're swapping the bracket over to the carbon one. Got the rail swapped over, so swap the bracket. I also got an identical one for the G to put in as a passenger seat. So I still wanted to keep a recliner so I could have passengers in the back seat. But he's making this the driver's seat in this. So we got the back seat pulled out, driver's seat pulled out. Look at how messed up these motherfuckers are.
Both chipped over there, both chipped over there. I think it's from me hauling wheels in it, to be honest. I just hope these are stronger or something. But these are actually clipped into the seat buckle. These ones aren't. These ones are just like a slip over. So I'll do that real quick. All right, they're in. It cracked on installation.
Cheap.
We were gonna shout them out. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna shout them out anymore. They fucking broke. 18 bucks. On camera, it looks fine. Look how it looks.
Yeah. Show the cup holder thing you did too.
The cup holder. He's also from that. Yeah, it's from that same dude. Let me get my frosty key tag out of there so you can see carbon fiber in it. Not real carbon fiber, unlike the seat. Just some bullshit. Now we gotta put the seat in.
Yeah, it looks exactly the same. It's just the same seat, but
It's the same seat, but we
carbon fiber.
We get a look at the FIA standard out of spec. We get a look at the carbon fiber. This isn't torn open.
This one was beat to shit and not carbon fiber. Hey, you got the matching handbrake boot to match,
Oh yeah. Still gonna stay matching.
and the seat belt cover.
They're touching.
You in that shit?
All right, so just did a fresh alignment on this car. We got that new seat in there. Got the horn button situated. It was kind of being annoying. Excited to have 2 bridge seats in the car. Got some new seat bezel for the, I don't even know, the seat buckles.
The buckle bezel.
Buckle bezel. But yeah, it's good, dude. That's kind of how I wanted the car for right now. But let's go. Yeah.
Full?
You're full? Okay. I've had fuel slosh problems here before.
Yeah. Breaking up?
I haven't. Yes, I do hear it.
I'm gonna try one more time and then we'll bounce.
All right.
Sounds, it's weird.
Have you seen this before? A little paint transfer from the quarter panel? Got some grippy tires taking the paint off. We're test fitting the silver ESRs on Andy's WRX. That's pretty funny.
No all-wheel drive light.
No all-wheel drive light.
Strange.
We wanted to test this out. I didn't want to take paint off your car, bro. That's insane.